Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Chime card to a metal card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and upgrade your Chime card to a metal card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Chime app, then click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on Cards, Manage Virtual and Physical Cards. Then scroll down and click on Upgrade to Metal Card. Now, once you click on this, you can see that upgrading to a metal card is going to cost $50 plus tax. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and upgrade your card to a metal card on the Chime app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.